Brian, can I see? Brian, can I see? 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 Brian, can I see that paper now? Brian,
You thought
for a paper for a sec.
Huh. Huh? You thought big news would be big news. Well, no, what? No, the.
Huh. That's not.
Huh?
That's
What would be big?
That's odd. That's odd. I thought that's odd. Ornithopter.
Huh.
Brian, thought big.
You thought.
Brian, can I see paper for a big news? To be.
Huh?
That's absence of a seems to be ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain ornithological piece. Of a certain avian variety. Of a certain avian variety. Of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my a headline regarding mass awareness of a headline regarding a headline it was my understanding that in a certain avian it heard.
Heard what, Brian?
It was my understanding it heard.
Heard what, Brian?
It was my understanding that everyone had my understanding that one had heard.
Heard what, Big Brian?
It was my,
You thought.
my understanding that everyone had heard. It was
Heard what, Brian? What, Brian? Don't! Don't!
It was my understanding that
Brian? Don't! Heard what?
everyone had heard. My understanding was, oh, have you not?
What are you talking about?
Certain avian regarding awareness of a headline. I thought news. That's a Brian, can I see that? Snap.
Huh?
Brian, can I see that paper? Absence of a certain ornithological piece.